VoiceOver on Safari. Web accessibility window. Web accessibility. Web content as keyboard focus. You are currently on web content. To enter the...
Okay, so the first thing that you can do is scroll through all of the links or all of the labels by pressing the tab button.
Add contact button. Navigation about button. Number. Text main.
To the dialer,
1 button.
And then we can
Access key available. 1.
Pressing
you are currently on a button.
Option.
To click this button, press Control
Option right arrow
2 button.
Left.
1 button. 2
so
3 button.
Put in numbers
Access key available.
By pressing Control Option Space.
Press 3 button. 3 8 9 stop 0 but press 0 4 3 button. Press 3 button. 303. Press 4. End of text 5 but press 306 button. 308 press 309 but 308 button. Press 8 button.
So as you can see, I was able to get a number, and then if you want to scroll over to the clear one, then you can actually clear the number out by doing
menu,
the same thing.
4 items. Closing menu, 9
right
button,
arrow.
star, dot clear, but press clear button. You are currently on a button. To click this button, press Control Option Space.
So I was able to clear the number, and so now we can go over to the contact list. But before we can do that, we need to exit out of the region. So in order to do that, you can press Control Option Shift up.
Main.
And so that
you are currently on a
brings us to the region. So then you can do Control Option left arrow.
End of navigation. About add contact list button.
So then you can press Control Option Space, and that brings us to the contact list.
Press contact list.
And so here's the contact list. So to go inside the table, you can press Control Option Command T.
Table 4 columns.
And then once again, you could do Control Option right arrow.
Full name,
arrow,
email, email, phone number.
Scroll through the table as much as you want. So now we'll go to the next tab by same thing, doing Control Option Shift up
main.
arrow.
You are currently on a main inside of web content. End of net about add contact button.
So we'll go to add contact.
Access key of it. Press add contact button. Add con.
So if we want to do this, then
about name edit text with autofill menu. Type Tyler Moore. Tyler Moore. Phone number edit text with autofill menu. 303 dash 303 76 3.
Something like that. And then we can also
email address edit text with autofill menu. Tyler top misspelled color Tyler.Moore Colorado.edu.
So then if we want to clear it out, we can do Control Option.
Add contact but clear button.
We could space.
You are currently on a button. To click this button, press clear button.
Just like that. So then we can also go to the About tab by doing Control Option Shift up again.
Main.
Get out of the region.
You are currently on a main. End of navigate about button.
Go to About.
Press About button. About button.
And then once again, you could enter into the table by pressing Control Option Command T.
Table 2 columns, 17 rows, button. Row 3 of 17, keyboard shortcut. Row 4, button. Add contact tab, column 1 of 2.
So that is the basic of it. You can also press Control Option U.
Form controls menu.
Which brings up a form control or a menu where you could do shortcuts and stuff. So like, if you want to go back to the dialer button, then you could do that.
Dialer button.
There, and then
access key available.
Space,
press dialer button.
And just like that. So it can bring you back up to the menu, and it could do a lot of different things.
Form controls menu.
So
dialer
button.
No, 4 button. 4 button. Press 4 button. Like 4. Access key available. 4.
So it's just a quicker way to access things, and it's pretty helpful. So yeah, that's it for my demo.
VoiceOver on Safari.
Okay, so for this example, I'm going to put an item into my cart on Amazon. So the first thing that I'm going to do is find an item to put in the cart. So I'm going to go over to the recommendations on the bottom left of the screen and find an item that I like and then put it in my screen. So instead of just tabbing over every single element in the web page, I am going to look at different headers and find the one that I like. So in order to do that, I'm going to press Control Option Command H.
Heading level 2. Hi, Tyler.
And that brings
you are currently on a heading level 2.
Brings me to the heading right there. And then once I am in this page, then I can press Control Option Command G, which lists over all of the graphics on this element.
Top categories recommendations image. You are top categories recommendation.
So I am going to go to the Xbox one because that's the one that looks like it interests me. So in order to do that, I have to do Control Option Space, and that
top categories Amazon.com.
Enter into the link.
90% loaded. Skip to main content.
So now I'm on this page, and I still have to find out what I want. So I'm going to go over to the PS4 image and find something I like in there. So once again, I'm going to look over all the graphics.
Prime Video Stream. PlayStation 4.
And so there I found it. So Control Option Space will activate the link.
Press link. Amazon.com. PlayStation 4. P.
So now
Skip to main content. Clickable.
I am going to look inside of the accessories tab to find something I like. So I'm going to use the heading again.
Heading level 1. PlayStation $20 PlayStation Store gift card. Heading level 1. PlayStation 4 controllers. Headset.
And then, so I'm in the PS4 heading right now, and then I'm going to...
End of banner. Consoles button. Games button. Accessories button.
Move
Accessories. You are currently on a button. Press accessories button. So Amazon.
So here I am now that I made it to the page, and so it's time to find an item that I like. And so I like this controller on the first page, which I will be putting into my cart.
Prime Video Stream movie controllers link.
So that one.
Controller press link controllers. Amazon. You are currently on web content. To enter the web.
So I'm going to do this camo one.
Prime Video Stream movies and TV. Number 1 Number 2 DualShock 4 wire link. DualShock 4 wireless.
So that's the one that looks good to me. So do Control Option Space again.
Press web content. 89% 90% loaded.
So here I am, and so now I need to actually put it into my cart.
Skip to main content. Clickable.
So I'm going to do Control Option Command J, which actually just looks through all of the links on the page.
Open menu. Video cam. Go. Search text field. Trade in now. Blue camouflage color. Buy new. 1. Quantity. Add to cart button.
And so I'm on the button now, and so now I can do Control Option Space again, which will activate the button.
Press add to cart button.
So now it is added to my cart. So another way to get to the correct button that I want is Control Option U.
Form controls menu.
Brings up this menu.
Open menu button. Video games. Search and pop-up button. Go button. Search trade. Continue to cart button.
So now I can click this button, and it will bring me to
continue to cart button. Press continue to cart button.
The cart.
You are cart.
And so here we are on the correct page, and it has been correctly added to my cart for me to check out. And so I'll be ending the video here. So one thing that would have been easier is I kind of fumbled with the headings pages because it looked like they should be headings, but it turns out they weren't. So I kind of skipped over them, and I wasn't able to click on them because they weren't actually classified as a heading. So I guess that was my one complaint, but other than that, it was pretty easy to scroll through Amazon and figure everything out. Thanks.